What's up everyone? Let's talk about Bionano Genomics or Bngo. There's several catalysts coming up next week that will most likely to push Bngo price action higher. Besides the earning report on March 23rd, there are two new catalysts that will take place today and next week. I will cover these new catalysts and provide you my price target. I will also share with you what I think and what I'll be doing, so stick around. Swadika, that's hello in Thai. My name is Anthony and welcome to Quantum Finance. But before we get into that, if you find this video of value, please be sure to hit the like button and share the video to help us beat the YouTube algo. Please help us reach the 10,000 subscriber goal by hitting the sub button below, and while you're at it, turn on that notification bell so you are notified every time I post a new video. That way you can get up to date on all of your favorite stocks, learn some new ones, and see exactly what I'm trading and investing. Now let's make you some free moolahs with Weibo. If you want to earn 2 free stocks value up to $1,800 per share, all you have to do is to click on the link below in the description or in my comment. Set an account and deposit $100. Weibo will give you 2 free stocks in return. Just 2 weeks ago, one of our viewers received Google stock value up to $1,900 and another viewer received Facebook stock value up to $200. Weibo is a good brokerage that I use to trade pre-markets and after hours. It is commission free, so you can trade as much as you like. But I like the fact that I can also trade cryptocurrencies as well. I can't do that with my TD Ameritrade account. So if you're interested in that, make sure you check it out. With that out of the way, let's get right into it. Yesterday, Bionano Genomics announced that they will present virtually at several conferences. The first one is at Oppenheimer 31st Annual Healthcare Conference on March 16 to 18, 2021. Biogenomics management are scheduled to present on Wednesday, March 17th at 11:20 a.m. Eastern Time. This conference will provide investors a broad spectrum of public and private healthcare companies spanning all major sectors of the healthcare industry: bio and specialty pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, medical devices, life science tools and diagnostics, healthcare information technology and distribution, healthcare providers and servicers. In my opinion, the Maxim Group's Emerging Growth Conference on March 17 to 19, 2021 is more important event, in that Jason McCarthy of Maxim Group has given a price target for Bngo at $14, up from $2, while reiterating a buy rating. There will be a fireside chat with Bionano Genomics CEO Eric Holman, which is moderated other than Jason McCarthy. Therefore, it will be very interesting to see what type of insightful questions Jason will ask Eric. I think we'll learn a lot from this fireside chat, as we can learn new information that could boost Bngo stock price. It looks like Bionano Genomics management will be very busy this week with presentations. What we have learned from the past conference is that these type of event will send Bngo stock price to go higher, partly because we always see new studies about the Sapphire come out. The best way to get the latest update on Bngo is to follow their Twitter page. They are very good at posting the latest and the greatest on the Twitter page. Let's talk about Bionano Genomics Q4 upcoming earnings. It was revised 3 times and the estimate EPS is that it will lose 5 cents per share. In Q3, it had reported an EPS loss of 8 cents per share on a 2.2 million revenue. It is estimated that it will grow its revenue to 3.5 million in Q4. Whisper numbers is that it could be as high as 4.2 million. Do note that Bngo was on the verge of being delisted due to its low share price, and then Bngo came out with an autism study and the shares massively spiked up. So there's been a lot of changes since, and therefore a lot of investors will be hoping for major improvement in Bionano Genomics financials. More importantly, we need to hear from its CEO Eric Holman on his forward guidance for the companies during the conference call. Investors will pay close attention to the Q&A sessions, as a lot can be learned from this. We have seen companies that have reported weak earnings but provides a strong and positive guidance and the stock ran up. Take an MDM for instance last week. Its stock ran up by as much as 16 to 18%. This is the fact that even though it reported weak earnings, but its CEO provided positive guidance on merger and acquisition and the future direction of the company. And we have also seen companies that report strong earnings, but when the CEO provides a negative guidance and the stock sells off, for instance Apple. Of course, investors will be anticipating both positive earnings and forward guidance. Let's look at Bngo's daily chart. It closed down today at $8.73. It was down 94 cents or 9.72%. It traded on a light volume at 79% of normal trading volume. Right now, it is trading sideways in the $8 to $9 range and is mildly bullish. As you can see, on March 6, Bngo formed a hammer candlestick pattern and had reversed its course to create a new uptrend. Its MACD lines are about to cross into the bullish territory. Its RSI is at the center line but waning. It is right below the $9.49 support and resistance level. My concern is the low trading volume. This is a sign that 1. Investor may lack conviction overall going into the earnings. 2. Fewer people people are committed to the high price where it's at right now. And 3, if a negative event occurs, it is much easier to shake out weak hands. And lastly, 4, if a positive news event occurs, Bngo looks prime for a breakout. I'm thinking of the latter. My last price target was set at $12 to $13 range. I'm now increasing this to $13 to $14. I do think it is a good entry point to buy Bngo under the $10 range. I do see Bngo or Bionano Genomics could become one of the top players in the genomics industry as long as they continue going positive on their track. Therefore, long term, I could see Bngo become a $30 to $35 stock within 2 years or so. If you find the video of value, please like, share, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Thank you, and let's go make some mullahs!